Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn and understand chemistry. Begin by mastering the foundational concepts, such as the structure of atoms and how molecules form. Next, familiarize yourself with the periodic table, recognizing patterns and properties of elements. Then, practice balancing simple chemical equations to build a strong base for more complex topics. This systematic approach will make your learning journey much smoother. To truly grasp chemistry, visualize what is happening at the molecular level. This helps immensely with abstract concepts. Create flashcards for key formulas, definitions, and important reactions to aid memorization. Most importantly, consistently work through a variety of practice problems. This active recall and application of knowledge is crucial for solidifying your understanding and improving problem-solving skills. For a deeper understanding, always strive to connect new information with what you already know, building a comprehensive mental framework. Explore online simulations and interactive tools. They can bring abstract chemical processes to life. Additionally, collaborating in study groups allows you to discuss challenging concepts, gain different perspectives, and reinforce your own learning through explanation. Finally, apply your chemistry knowledge to real-world scenarios to see its practical relevance, which can be incredibly motivating. Don't be afraid to explore more advanced topics, such as organic chemistry or biochemistry, as your confidence grows. Remember, consistent effort is key to mastering any complex subject. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.